Good afternoon, fellow foragers. It's James here from Totally Wild UK. Today we're looking at one of my absolute favourites, cooking something that's really abundant absolutely everywhere, nettles into something called nettle crisps. This is tasty. So to start with, we're going to head out and pick our nettles. We're going for just the top sections, the top 5 to 6 centimetres, and we want to be picking off any stringy stems. We want to be getting just those leaves ideally. All we're going to do is get a little pan, get it up to heat with some oil. We're not looking to deep fry these, but to shallow fry them. And what I'll do is I'll separate out the leaves, drop them into the pan. We don't really want them touching each other. If I put a load of leaves in, they're going to steam. So I want them separate from each other. If you're doing loads, do them in batches. So pop them into the pan and they'll fry and go crispy, entirely crispy, within about 10 to 15 seconds. It won't take too long at all. If you put them in for 30 seconds, you'll see they go brown and start to taste a little burnt. Do some more and do them for less amount of time. Take them out, pop them onto a piece of kitchen towel, let some of the oil absorb, and that's it, nettle crisps. You can use them sweet if you want to put a little bit of icing sugar on it. You can put them on top of ice cream, things like that. Or you can use them savoury like I love them. On these ones, I've just topped them with a tiny bit of ground seaweed flakes with salt to give them a really nice umami flavour. I can eat them straight like this, like crisps. I can grind them up and put them on top of food. Sometimes I'll do a fish pie and crunch them on top like I would regular crisps. The possibilities are endless with this, but that's it, nettle crisps. Enjoy.